game, Central Florida and Tulsa.
He has a natural inside route, Joe. And you.
Bro, what was that?
What, this?
Yeah, that. What is that? Bro, that is so disgusting.
Dude, I was just wiping my nose.
Get a tissue. I mean, if you're gonna do that, you need to leave. I'm so serious.
Dude, I have no place to go.
Go.
No, I don't have anywhere to go.
Get out of my house. That's ridiculous.
Against me, and gravity wants to bring me down. Oh, I'll never know what makes this man, with all the love that his heart can stand, dream of ways to throw it all away. Whoa, whoa, gravity.
Got a tissue?
Yep.
Thanks.